Hi everyone, my name is Joelle and today I'm going to show you the 30 most common postures in Yin Yoga. I'm not going to go into all of the props or modifications that we can use just in order to save some time. This is just to give you a sense of what types of postures you can expect in a Yin Yoga class. If you'd like to learn more about the practice and benefits of Yin Yoga, I will link to a short video I made about that right up top. And otherwise, let's get started. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new to Yin Yoga, I would love for you to join my Taste of Yin Yoga challenge. It's completely free and you can sign up using the link right here. And I will also leave a link somewhere down here below to all of my Yin Yoga practices so that we can find each other again on the mat soon. Thank you so much and have a beautiful day.